The X-cosrack wine cabinet delivers versatile beverage organization through rustic industrial design combining wine storage, glass accommodation, decorative display, and multipurpose functionality. This comprehensive cabinet accommodates 3 detachable wine racks holding up to 11 wine bottles, enabling flexible bottle organization and capacity adjustment. The detachable wine glass holder accommodating 8 glasses provides convenient stemware storage and accessibility. The magnetic self-locking mesh door design enables visualization and ventilation while maintaining convenient accessibility. The retro industrial style featuring MDF construction with high-grade wood grain stickers creates sophisticated aesthetics coordinating beautifully with diverse interior environments. The sturdy metal frame combined with adjustable feet ensures stability on uneven surfaces without wobbling. The spacious lower compartment provides additional storage flexibility accommodating bottles, accessories, and decorative items. The dimensions measuring 37.8-inch length by 13.4-inch width by 31.1-inch height provide substantial capacity within manageable footprint. The straightforward assembly requires basic tools and approximately 1 to 2 hours, enabling rapid deployment. The exceptional versatility enabling coffee bar, wine storage, liquor display, and kitchen organization demonstrates comprehensive functionality. The outstanding value combining detachable organization, 11 bottle capacity, 8 glass holder, industrial aesthetics, and multipurpose design establishes this cabinet as exceptional choice for entertainment-focused homeowners.